What's up, guys? We got an Audi 2017 Q5 reverse light. This got water in there, so it's eventually not gonna work, but I still want to change the bulb on it to give you guys an idea. So somebody was already in here, they did something there, but that's not what you want to do. Okay, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and then we're gonna start this baby, and get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver. This is one of it. This is all we're gonna need. And if you don't have a screwdriver, just push really hard here. You should be able to manage to get this guy out. But if you don't have a flathead screwdriver, but we are gonna get a flathead screwdriver. So push really hard on this, and once that gap opens up right there, and then you could just pull this out, and it's just gonna sit there. Okay, internally, I want to show you guys internally. Let me grab my camera and the light. Internally, you're gonna have that little slot right there for the screwdriver. If you guys can see it, you're gonna see a one Phillips head screw in there. My light, I'm not gonna be able to get my light in there, but I'm sure you guys can see it right there if you look in there. So that's what I'm gonna grab onto, and we're gonna start removing this baby. Let me put my camera back. So it's just a matter of time getting the screwdriver on. And if I can manage to get it on, I'm gonna need the light for a second, so bear with me here, guys. There it is, got it right on this little guy. It's the same process for the other side. Okay, once you do that, the whole light will come out just like that, and you have access to all the light bulbs over here. The one we're gonna work on is on this little guy right here. So the clear one is our reverse light, and you're gonna just simply, let me see if I can manage to do this, twist it counterclockwise, and this bulb housing socket should release out of the light itself. And here's the bulb. Okay, there's a lot of water in there, so that's the reason why this bulb is gone. It's probably not gonna work, but I am gonna put in another bulb for this customer. I'm gonna try to clean all this and get the water out, so I'll be right back. Give me a moment. It's a lot of water coming out of this baby. You see that? A lot of water coming out. Okay, so kind of blew air on this little guy, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. But sometimes the contact inside will get dirty, corroded. I try to scrub them with my screwdriver. Let's just pray for some good luck here for us. And we're gonna put this in and twist this on. So our screw there is just gonna sit there, okay? And if it falls out, perfect. If it doesn't, that's even better. So that side, you're gonna have to get this little guy right there from the other side. Little notch goes in first, and after that, you can just twist the whole thing. Make sure your wiring is good and nice and neat. And nothing is bothering. And once you are able to get this in, we should be able to retract that screw back. Okay, let me find it. There it is. There you go. So hopefully okay, the light's gotta be like, make sure you get this light kind of flush, because on the other side, I'm not sure if it was there. Okay, it was there, so we leave it there, and we close this cover back on. Once it's nice and tight, just observe the light. It's good everywhere. Bada bing, bada boom. So this bulb is I'm not sure the size of this, 921, I think that's the number on this. So but it's done. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like.